Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the pistol safe. Remove the magazine, lock the slide back, and physically check the chamber yourself. Once done, place the Glock on a bench block with the muzzle pointed down and put on safety glasses. You need the sight tool or a brass punch, a small hammer, and a container for small parts. This prevents lost pieces. Make sure you have the replacement night sights oriented correctly and confirm right versus left before proceeding. This saves time and avoids rework. Now you remove the old sights. First check for a rear set screw and loosen it with the correct hex driver. This releases tension. If none, drive the rear sight forward using a brass punch or a sight press while supporting the slide on the block. Once rear clears, flip the slide and drift the front sight out from the bottom with controlled, light hammer taps. Never hit the slide directly. Keep parts separated and inspect dovetails for burrs before fitting the new sights. Install the new night sights by placing them into the dovetails and tapping them gently into position. Start with the rear sight, then the front, adjusting hand alignment as you go. Once flush, tighten the rear set screw or restake per manufacturer instructions and check that the sights are square. After reassembly, function check and take a few rounds at the range to confirm point of aim. Make small windage taps to center. If sights bind, loosen and reseat. If screws loosen, use a small amount of thread locker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.